Hi, my name is Mahesh, and today I'll be talking about Marketing Cloud Connect. This is a connector that will connect your Marketing Cloud instance with Salesforce CRM. By connecting your Salesforce with Marketing Cloud, all your data gets synced from Salesforce into Marketing Cloud. Now, before you install this package in your Salesforce CRM instance, you need to understand there are a few prerequisites. Marketing Cloud Connect can only be set up in the following Salesforce editions: Unlimited, Enterprise, Performance, and Dev Sandboxes. For further information, jump into Salesforce Trailhead and search for Marketing Cloud Connect, and you should find the step-by-step setup for installing this connector. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to install this package in my Salesforce Dev Sandbox, which I've already done. I've opened the URL and I've selected the install for admins only and hit next. I've installed this package in my Dev Sandbox, and you will see that there's a Marketing Cloud package installed in my Dev Sandbox. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to open that package. And I'm going to ensure that the platform integration is enabled. Now, while this is the platform integration enablement is happening, please ensure that you've created a API user in your Salesforce instance and an API user in Marketing Cloud. I'm not going to do this in this recording, but if you need step-by-step setup, please jump into the Trailhead article. Now that this package has been installed, I'm going to jump into the Object Manager and add two fields on the user table. So I'm going to search for user, click on the user object, jump on user page layouts, and I'm going to add these two fields, which is the Marketing Cloud for Admin Exchange Admin and Marketing Cloud for App Exchange User, which I've already done here. Now I'm also going to add a related list and give permission to a field in leads. So I'm going to go back into the Object Manager tab, type in lead, and click the lead object. I'm going to select the page layout that I want to add that related list to. I'm going to click the related list button, and I'm going to search for email sends and individual email results and drag that across and hit save. I'm also going to search for email opt-out field to give permission to everyone so that they can see who's been opted out of a specific email. So I click on that field and I check the visible checkbox to ensure that all profiles get that visibility. And I'm going to repeat these steps for contacts as well. Awesome. Now, the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to create a permission set called Marketing Cloud Connected App. Under the Home tab in Salesforce Setup, I'm going to search for permission sets. And I'm going to click on New. And I'm going to create a permission set called Marketing Cloud Connected App. Now I'm going to assign this permission set to the API user that I've created in Salesforce previously. Now, the next step that we're going to do is we're going to jump into Marketing Cloud or the presentation pack to show you what the next steps are in Marketing Cloud. Now, like I mentioned earlier, you need to ensure that you've set up an API user in Marketing Cloud, and you need to ensure that you're logged in using that API user for both Salesforce and Marketing Cloud. Once you've logged into the MC API user credentials, jump into Setup for Marketing Cloud, and under Apps, open Salesforce integration. Ensure that there's no other Salesforce environment open, for it will cause a clash or it may connect to the wrong instance of Salesforce. Once you've logged out of all the other Salesforce environments and you've left the SFDC API user instance open, click the Connect Account button, which will automatically assign you or sign you into Salesforce. Once that is completed, you will jump into Salesforce again, and under Setup, you'll type in Connected Apps. And you should find a Salesforce Marketing Cloud connected app available there. Once you click into it, you will click on Update Policies or Manage Policies. And under that, you should be able to update the permitted users to admin approved users are pre-authorized. You'll update the IP relaxation to relax IP restrictions. And under refresh token policy, you will update that to immediately expire refresh token. Once you've done that, scroll down and hit the save button. Once you have completed that step, you will scroll down the page and click Manage Permissions within this connected app. You will select the SFDC API user, or rather the Marketing Cloud Connected App permission that you've just created, and you will hit Save. Once you've done that, under Setup for Salesforce, type in Process Automation Settings and ensure that the default workflow user is SFDC API user. Once you've selected that magnifying glass and selected SFDC API user as the workflow user, click the Save button. After all of these steps are completed, jump into the Salesforce App Launcher and type in Marketing Cloud tab. So this is the app launcher. I'm going to search for Marketing Cloud. And it's going to open up quick wizard as per this screenshot here. As you have two options. You can click the automatic setup or the manual setup. Salesforce recommends to use the automatic setup. So click the start wizard and hit the next button as each screen pops up till you're finished the setup of the Marketing Cloud connector setup. Once that is completed, jump into Marketing Cloud setup. Again, ensure that you're logged in as MC API user. Open up the MC API user record in Marketing Cloud and hit that integrated button that you will see under the salesforce.com status. Once you hit the integrate button, it'll pop up to a screen where you need to log into Salesforce. If you're still logged into Salesforce as the SFDC API user, it will automatically log you in and you will get a updated status for that field as integrated. Once all these steps are completed, you can perform a test to in Marketing Cloud to check whether this integration is working. Thank you.